Hello everyone, welcome back to Approach. So today we are moving on to a set of budget calculators by Approach. So first we'll start with lead magnet budget calculator. Planning a lead magnet but you have no idea what it should cost. This calculator gives you a realistic production budget before you brief anyone. You have to give 5 inputs and you get an estimated one time build budget and time to publish range and a full breakdown of where the money goes across every production phase. So let's quickly run through the inputs. First input is you have to select your asset type here. If it is a ebook, report, toolkit, checklist, or a template pack, then is your research depth. If it is low with light references and quick synthesis, or if it is medium with benchmarking plus structured insights, or if it is high with deep research plus data sourcing. Next is your design complexity, if it is a standard design with clean layout or premium with custom graphics or polished visual system. Next you have to tell the level of interactivity you need in the asset, if it is a light with fillable sections and checklist, or it has advanced with many tools, calculators and dynamic embeds. And finally you indicate whether you need a landing page and email nurture sequence as part of the distribution setup. You can select yes or no here. Each choice you make directly adjusts the budget estimate. A long form ebook with deep research, premium design, and a landing page will naturally sit at a much higher range than a simple checklist with a standard layout. So this tool accounts for all that automatically. So once all the inputs are filled, just click on calculate budget. So here the result pops up immediately. You get a one-time build budget as a range in rupees and along with the estimated time to publish in working days here. Below that is a breakdown across all 7 production phases like research, writing, design, build, SEO, distribution and tracking. So you know exactly where the effort is going before you brief anyone. Note that this is planning estimate, not a code. Paid promotion cost and tool subscriptions are separate. So a lead magnet that converts requires proper investment across content, design and distribution. This calculator helps you plan that investment before you start. So try it yourself. The links are below in the description. Also, if you want a lead magnet build to actually generate leads, the link to talk to Upgrowth is just right below. Book a growth consultation with us. Let's talk in detail. Thank you.